Hey everyone and welcome to a new YouTube video. Today I want to show you a crazy new AI tool which I have discovered, which will in the future cut and maybe even create all your YouTube videos. You heard right, I found an AI which can easily create videos based on just some commands which you input. But today we will not only see how AI can get used to accelerate your video productions and similar tasks, but also I will show you similar and other AI tools you can use to create a digital AI replica of yourself, which will plan and capture all your YouTube videos in the future. So stay tuned for that. But let's directly start with the AI I found. It's called Full Journey, which is funny because the image generation is called Mid Journey and this is now like video production thing and called Full Journey. Both work on a Discord server basically, so it's easily accessible for everyone. Everyone can join this Discord server for free and can play around a little bit with it. So you have some free credits you can use to make your first videos, and it works quite simple. You just need to use the command /movie and then you can add your description for the video behind of it. In the video generation channels, this video then will like pop up or will get generated. And the server or whatever will ping you once everything is done basically. The results are currently very interesting at the moment. I will also show you some stuff in the background, but I'm sure that all the stuff will enhance in the near future. And also don't worry, in the next minutes I will also show you how you can actually generate hyper-realistic characters for your videos. All in all, I can't wait to see the first AI generated movies or similar stuff, but I guess you can already use it today as long as you only want to visualize some stylized nature scenes or some similar stuff. With humans, those AIs still struggle, but also as many other image generators struggling with faces, bodies, and the characters have like 3 arms or whatever, and they currently are still in the development and all that stuff. Sometimes still looks a bit crazy, but I would say before I talk any further, I give you a little demo of this AI tool. We generate some own videos and then I also show you the approach how you can actually generate hyper-realistic humans for your videos. So we are now here at the Full Journey Discord server basically, and you can already see some videos here basically. Here's for example strange looking cat. As you can see here already, like faces and all that stuff are very hard to do, but all in all I think it's very crazy where all the AI development is gone so far, because like beginning of this year I found out like that you can do stuff with ChatGPT and all that stuff, and now we can already generate videos and all that stuff, which is totally crazy. And of course there are also like many very funny videos generated, like I don't know, for example Trump who meets Obama and then turns into Obama and all that crazy stuff basically here can get generated using AI or those videos basically. Or I also made some videos like for just testing everything, and it's like absolutely crazy how they look like faces and all that stuff of course still look very strange, and everything here is like very funny. But I guess like when you think about that, this is like the first results of AI generated video, and that all this basically will get much better in the near future, then that's already like absolutely crazy basically. And this frog here for example have like 3 eyes, and that's what I mentioned, like it's the early beginning. Everything will get improved, I would say, hopefully in the near future. And but sometimes already the faces look quite okay, like here for example in this example there are just eyes here, maybe look a bit strange, but it's actually crazy what you can already generate with the AI. You have some kind of ad or something like that where people are eating pizza, and it's looking very funny, all this stuff. But also they have some kind of like a horror section here with very crazy stuff. And like all in all, the videos sometimes here look very creepy. Just like music, like creepy music is like missing there, and then it could be like a horror movie, like how the characters move and how the faces are looking. Basically everything looks like in a bad horror movie or something like that. But yeah, but of course I also promise you to also show you how you can use AI tools to automate your YouTube video production with like hyper realistic human characters. We are currently experimenting with a digital studio setup and a replica of myself in Unreal Engine as well, so I can already show you the setup process, or like how I imagined it basically. But in the near future, maybe you will also see the first AI generated video of myself here. So stay tuned for that as well. First, I will of course use ChatGPT to brainstorm a potential video script. I will also add my own ideas to it, so it's fully fleshed out basically, and also have a personal note to it. Once I have the script, I can basically then go to different websites to clone my voice. 11 Labs, for example, is a really good solution for that. There you can just upload a snippet of your own voice basically, and then the AI can talk very similar to like how you talk basically.
Welcome everyone to our in-depth exploration of game development with Unreal Engine.
And that's actually very crazy, and yeah, it's really good basically. And as soon as I have the audio files, I can then prepare the animations for the character in my video. For that, I'm using a free tool called Audio to Face from the NVIDIA Omniverse, and there you can easily insert the audio and it generates a perfect facial animation for your character. And now the only thing you basically need to do is like setting up a studio scene in Unreal Engine, for example, and create a meta-human character which looks similar to you. And there are also different techniques that the character fully matches yourself. For example, you can do a simple photo scan of yourself, that import that into Unreal Engine, and then the character will match your facial shapeably. Then you only need to customize stuff like the hairs and stuff like that a bit more, that it actually matches your reference or yourself. And that's already really cool that you can create those characters so quick and easily. And once all this is done, you can go to the sequencer from Unreal Engine and then set up the body animations for your character, but also all the other stuff you maybe want, like the gestures with the arms and all that stuff. Or maybe the characters should walk around in your studio. All that can get set up in the sequencer. So there you put everything together. The audio, the facial animations, the meta-human, the other animations and all that stuff. And of course, once that's done, you can easily render out your YouTube video. So you don't longer need to film yourself basically and waste a lot of time with cutting your videos. So you don't need any expensive YouTube equipment anymore, like good camera or good lights or good microphone. All this stuff will, get done with AI tools or also Unreal Engine. And that's really crazy. Of course, you still need to like edit the videos, or you need to insert the audio which is generated and the facial animations, but it's like two things you need to like swap out, and I guess that can cut down the times people need for the video production from, I don't know, 2 or 3 hours to maybe like half an hour or something like that. And already that is very crazy. Of course, there are also other AI tools you can use to make a digital replica of yourself. Maybe I will also feature some more of those AI tools here in the near future. Let me know in the comments if that also would be something interesting for you. But also, if you have any detailed questions about this workflow in general, let me know it in the comments. Maybe I can also make a more detailed video about that soon. And also, some of our customers use similar setups for their branding and marketing right now. They use, for example, stylized characters as a mascot or something like that for their brand. So they want to use it for example, as an Instagram account, that they have a endless source for new pictures and all that stuff, that they can frequently post new stuff and promote the brand basically with a AI character which is stylized and looks unique basically, so it also stays in your mind in the long term. Soon we will also set up something very similar for us, and I can't wait to see the results. And if you like those videos as well, so stay tuned for new crazy AI stuff like this. Making YouTube videos will also boost your business, since you can easily explain even complex products or services, but sometimes people will get bored by watching the next 10-minute explainer video, for example, and that's why we are also in this area trying to create our own AI solutions currently. We are currently building up a web-based 3D office where you can easily showcase your products and services in a brand new and interactive way, which will generate leads and stay in the memory of your audience in the long term. In this office, we are using AI characters, for example, to give the user a roadshow through your office so people can learn more about your team, which are also AI characters as well. So you can easily also ask questions about their role in the team, about the company, but also there will be an AI character for testimonials. So you as user can directly talk to those testimonials, which will also build up trust and shorten the sales cycles. But all this is currently still in development, unfortunately, so make sure to also subscribe to this channel to stay informed about the awesome updates which will come very soon. And also let me know when you need any assistance with your AI character setup to automate your video or content production, or also when you are interested in a virtual 3D office like you saw in the background. As I mentioned, everything there is like still work in progress and we are not done yet, but there's a lot of stuff we also plan to add there in the future as well. I would be happy to assist over mail if you have any questions, problems with the setup, what I mentioned or described. Also, if you want to have a quick call, for example, to plan out your own virtual office, feel free to check out the links in the description to easily book your free first discussion call, basically, where we can sit together for 15 minutes or later, then for maybe also 1 hour, where we really work out a roadmap and structure how, and where I will also show you how those offices, for example, can look for your end or for your service, and also how your business can benefit from them, basically. But that's it for this video. I'm looking forward to also assist you with your projects, and that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.